Hello traders. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am taking a look at make your own EA for MT5, and right away this EA stands out because it is designed a little differently from most automated trading systems. Okay, so we are discussing the MT5 version in this video, but if you're interested in the MT4 version, you can just do a quick search for it. All right. Instead of providing a fixed strategy, the main idea here is to give traders a framework for creating their own trading logic without needing programming knowledge. Looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that the EA is priced at 149 US dollars and was developed by Bruno Souza. The version shown here is 5.12, with the latest update listed as May 30th, 2021. As I scroll through the description, the developer explains that the goal of this EA is to allow users to build customized trading strategies by combining different indicators and conditions. There are also links provided for a more detailed parameter guide, strategy sets, a monitoring signal, and a community group where users can share settings and optimization results. Now, moving into the features section, the EA comes with 5 indicators built in by default. These include 3 moving averages, 1 stochastic oscillator, 1 RSI, and 1 ADX. One of the interesting aspects here is that the indicators can be configured in different ways, including using different time frames. That gives traders a lot of flexibility when designing entry and exit conditions. The description also mentions that indicators can be enabled or disabled depending on the strategy being built, so users are not forced to use every available component. The developer even provides an example showing how multiple conditions can be combined across different indicators and timeframes before a trade is executed. The key takeaway is that this EA functions more like a strategy builder rather than a single predefined trading system. So now looking through the settings, we can see dedicated sections for order management and strategy configuration. The other settings include things like take profit, stop loss, trailing stop, break-even functionality, lot size management, and both automatic and manual lot sizing options. The strategy configuration section is where traders can define how the moving averages, RSI, ADX, and stochastic indicators are used. The description also states that grid and martingale functionality can be enabled if the user wishes to incorporate those approaches into their strategy. Now, let us move into the historical backtesting section as we proceed. Okay, so now this shows the results generated by the expert advisor. We can see here absolute gain at 8.67%. We can see quite an interesting equity growth here. All right, let's also see what we have on the MetaTrader tester, Euro USD M5. Okay, there are significant drawdowns here, but let's head over to our strategy tester as well so that we can see how the EA performed in 2026 over the past 5 months. So we're testing the make your own EA for MT5 on AUD/CAD on the H1 time frame, and I'm testing it from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. As for the delays, I'm using the last ping to the server and I'm using the every tick modeling. Looking at the back tested results, I can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was $70.24, and the total trades taken were 49, out of which 31 were profitable, giving us a 63.27% win rate. And the largest profit was 74.28, while the largest loss was 32.28. The average profit was 9.22 and the average loss was 11.98. So this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. All right. And then when you put that side by side with the win rate is not exactly impressive. So I'm not really surprised to see a very tiny profit generated. But then as we review the completed backtest results and chart history, it is important to remember that the behavior we are seeing will depend heavily on how the strategy was configured. Since this EA allows users to create their own rules, different indicator settings, risk parameters and optimization choices can produce very different outcomes. So looking at the historical trades on the chart, the entries and exits reflect the specific combination of conditions that were active during the test. Okay, as you can see, I didn't work on the inputs, right? I just used the default. Okay, so because this EA is essentially a strategy building framework, the backtest is evaluating not only the software itself, but also the trading logic selected by the user. So this is one of those systems where optimization plays a major role. In fact, the developer specifically highlights optimization as a way to discover effective parameter combinations for different assets and time frames. Now, when reviewing any historical testing performance, I always recommend running longer term testing yourself as well. A broader testing period can provide a more complete picture of how a strategy behaves across different market environments rather than relying on a limited sample of data. Okay. So looking at the overall results, remember that these are historical backtest results and should not be viewed as a guarantee of future performance. Actual outcomes can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, optimization choices, and changing market conditions. Overall, Make Your Own EA is aimed at traders who want the flexibility to design and test their own automated strategies without writing code. All right. So rather than offering one fixed trading approach, it provides a customizable framework built around moving averages, RSI, ADX, and stochastic indicators, along with a variety of trade management options. As always, if you are considering using this EA, take the time to perform your own testing and optimization before moving to any live environment. That will help you better understand how your chosen strategy behaves and whether it fits your own trading objectives. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insight. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.